project. And last year, I promised to make America the Bitcoin superpower of the world and the crypto capital of the planet. And we're taking historic action to deliver on that promise, as you know, around the table. Yesterday, I signed an executive order officially creating our strategic Bitcoin reserve. And this will be a virtual Fort Knox for digital gold to be housed within the United States Treasury. That's a big thing, Scott.
In a landmark moment for the financial world, President Donald Trump has declared his administration's full embrace of Bitcoin, not just as a speculative asset, but as a fundamental part of America's financial future. The announcement of the strategic Bitcoin reserve aims to ensure the U.S. maintains its dominance in the digital age, leveraging Bitcoin as a strategic economic asset. But this isn't just about hoarding digital gold. It's a full-scale policy shift toward legitimizing and integrating cryptocurrency into the national economic framework.
The federal government is already among the largest holders of Bitcoin, as you know. Really one of the largest holders in the world, with as many as 200,000 Bitcoin obtained via civil law and various other forms of law, and including enforcement actions. These existing holdings will form the foundation of the new reserve.
The reserve isn't just a political maneuver. It represents a shift in financial strategy. With the federal government already holding significant amounts of Bitcoin, this initiative ensures that those assets are not only retained, but strategically utilized. Trump and his administration are making it clear Bitcoin isn't just an asset for retail investors and tech enthusiasts. It's a core part of America's economic future.
From this day on, America will follow the rule that every Bitcoin knows very well: never sell your Bitcoin. That's a little phrase that they have. I don't know if that's right or not. Who the hell knows, right? Who knows? Who knows? But so far, it's been right. And well, let's keep it that way.
Trump's humorous but firm commitment to the philosophy of Bitcoin holders, never sell, signals a long-term approach to Bitcoin as a store of value. Unlike previous administrations, which liquidated Bitcoin holdings obtained through legal actions, Trump's administration is taking a markedly different approach.
My administration also is working to end the federal bureaucracy's war on crypto, which was really going on pretty wildly during Biden until the election came about. About 5 months before the election, he became a big fan because he heard how many people were in favor of it.
This initiative is not only about Bitcoin, but about reversing previous regulatory hostility. The administration is positioning itself as an advocate for crypto innovation, standing against what Trump describes as the weaponization of regulation against digital assets. His statement underscores a broader strategy, creating an environment where cryptocurrency is not only accepted but actively fostered within the U.S. economy.
I also want to express my strong support for the efforts of lawmakers in Congress as they work on bills to provide regulatory certainty for dollar-backed stablecoins and the digital assets market. They're working very hard on that. This is a tremendous opportunity for economic growth and innovation in our financial sector. And
the policy shift extends beyond Bitcoin. Trump's administration is pushing for regulatory clarity, particularly in the stablecoin sector, which has long existed in a legal gray area. The push for legislative action suggests that the U.S. government under Trump sees stablecoins as a vital component of financial stability and dollar dominance in the digital era.
Today, when President Trump has signed the executive order to establish the strategic Bitcoin reserve and stockpile, we're going to position the United States as a leader among nations in the digital asset strategy. It's important for the United States to recognize this fact and get ahead of the other nations in the digital age.
Secretary of Treasury Scott Bessent reinforced the administration's ambition. America is not just participating in the digital economy, it intends to lead it. With global competitors, particularly China, aggressively advancing in blockchain development, the Trump administration views Bitcoin adoption as a matter of national strategic importance.
Technology is at the foundation of the Trump presidency. He understands technology, he embraces technology, and he's going to use technology to drive America forward. The blockchain and Bitcoin technology are a key part of that thinking, and embracing that, and here today shows how much a leader the Trump administration and our president is.
A key narrative emerging from the summit is that this initiative is not just about financial strategy, it's about embracing the future. Blockchain technology and Bitcoin's decentralized nature align with the administration's broader push for innovation, autonomy, and national economic security.
I thought it was very important that we stay in the front of this one. This is a big one. And as you know, China is pushing forward and very strongly as usual. But we're way in the lead, as we are in AI and other things, and we want to stay there.
The geopolitical implications of this move are significant. With China's aggressive expansion into digital currency with the digital yuan, Trump's administration sees Bitcoin as a crucial counterbalance to maintain U.S. dominance in the evolving financial landscape. Trump's announcement of a strategic Bitcoin reserve is more than just a financial maneuver. It's a declaration of intent. His administration is positioning the U.S. as a leader in the crypto space, ensuring that digital assets are recognized as a critical component of America's economic and geopolitical strategy. The move also highlights a broader effort to dismantle restrictive regulations that have stifled innovation in the past.
But we want to stay at the forefront of everything. And this is a very important day in your lives. I know you worked, some of you, very long before people really understood what was happening. And so I congratulate you, but this is a big day. Being in the White House is a big deal, and you have great support.
Now the question remains, how will this reshape the global financial system? Will America's strategic Bitcoin reserve give the U.S. an edge in the digital economy, or is this a risky bet on a volatile asset? Share your thoughts in the comments below.